more women have begun to celebrate International Women's Day in India, and more women have come to know that there is a day called the International Women's Day, because our work is now going into villages, our work is going into slums, and so it's not just university students and academic women who know about International Women's Day. We have taken International Women's Day right to the doorstep of the woman in the village.
And what exactly these women, what exactly the problems of the women in rural areas in India?
Women in rural areas of India face discrimination from the time they're born till the time they die. Sometimes they are not allowed to go to school, though their brothers are allowed to go to school. They are forced to work at home while the men of the family migrate to cities like Bombay and Delhi to get jobs. They have to run the farm, they have to go fetch water, they have to make sure that the cattle are looked after, etc. Also, one of the big issues that women in rural areas face is that they're married very early. So they're normally married by the time they're 12 or 13, and because of that, they never complete school. And they are not trained for jobs outside the house. And this leads to two things. One is that they always have lesser income than the men folk in the house, and also no control of their income. So they are looking for opportunities to now step out of the threshold, but they don't know how. And this is something which you will see in village after village of India, that girls are married early, then they start staying at home to look after the family, and they are not able to find out how to access education and job skills once they are married. And Apne Aap has opened a center right in the middle of these 22 villages, so that we can help women who were married early to be able to get job training and some literacy, so that they can change their lives around.
I mean, do you think the women's issue, the women's cause, should be stronger than the caste problem? Should
Absolutely,
federate
because
the women from every caste?
absolutely, because a pedestal is as much of a prison as the threshold. So a low caste woman is as much confined as an upper caste woman in a different way. Both have to reproduce caste. A low caste woman has to keep producing baby after baby to make labor available for people of upper castes, and upper caste women have to produce baby after baby to keep the lineage going for upper caste men. So both are confined and controlled by men in different ways. And so the moment that women begin to understand this and start making connections with each other, not only will we change the status of women, but we will end the caste system in India.